Hi children, today I'm coming to do the lesson on English with you. So today it will be a little bit different because I'm going to give you some work. I'm not going to give you any work from the note from the workbook, but we will do something different. Okay, so all this work has to be done in the writing book. So now if you go through your writing book, you will see that we have done copywriting. Okay, so see which page we have stopped the copywriting, and then you can do the next page. So in your English book you will write copywriting on the top, write the date, and then you write the next page. So see what the next page we have to do, and you write the whole page. Now you know when I say copywriting, you have to write it nicely. You have to look at the page, read the space, see the word, the comma, the full stop. You have to copyright it. You have to look at the page from the Radiant Way book, and you have to copyright it in you. You have to write it in your English writing book. Okay, so that's the first thing you do. Then the second thing is reading. Now reading is very important, children. It's very important. So please, you don't only have to read in school. You can read at home to your parents. Your parents can help you in reading. So see where we have stopped again in the Radiant Way book, because you know every week I mark a page, isn't it? Every week I mark a page for reading. So you study the next page. I don't have the book with me and I don't have those details. So you go to the book and see what the next page you have to learn to read. So you have a few days you can learn to read it. So on Fridays this is what we'll be doing. Then I'm going to give you 10 dictation words. 10 dictation words to learn for next Friday. For next Friday, you will learn these words. Now these words I have taken from the lessons we did before. That is from the singular and plural lessons we did in the workbook. I have taken 10 words from that. They are a little bit of a big words, but I'm sure now that you have time at home, you can learn these words. So next Friday you will write these dictation words in front of your parents. So your parents will read it out to you, and then you will write the words. Okay, right. So now these are the words you have to study for next Friday. The first word is the word apples. Second word is birds. The third word is hand. The fourth word is ship. The fifth word is spoon. The sixth word is girl. The seventh word is tree. The eighth word is flower. The ninth word is boy. And the 10th word is book. So these are the 10 words that you are going to study during the week for next Friday. Okay, so for next Friday, like I told you, you will study the words, and then your parents will, one of your parents will give it to you to write on your own. So like we do it in school, someone has to read out the words to you, and then you have to write it on your own. Okay, so try to do this on your own so that you know whether you have really studied this. Okay children, so this is the work you have to do today. So I hope you do them well, and I will see you soon with the next video. Bye.